Now, we need to know what we do with our coloured in butterfly to actually make it look like a real butterfly. And that's done in a very special way. We have to fold it. Now I'm going to start from this side here. So I'm going to turn it over so that the white side is facing you. Because as you can see, I've folded this once already. But I'll show you how I did that so you can fold your butterfly too. First you need to fold a little strip of it over and fold it like this. Make sure it's folded nicely, not too big and not too small. If you get your ruler again, you can get a grown-up to help you, and they'll tell you how much that is. It's about 2 centimeters, roughly. Doesn't have to be exact. So fold over about 2 centimeters, and that will be your guide for the rest of your folds. So you fold 2 centimeters over, and then you need to turn the paper over and fold again. And you can see how much you're folding. The same amount, 2 centimeters, as long as you get it along the same edge as your fold that you did before. Get a grown-up to help you if you can't manage to do that yourself, but do some of it yourself. It's good to have practice. If you practice a lot, it makes you better at doing things. So I'll show you that again. I'll start from the beginning. Fold over about 2 centimeters very carefully, and then you need to turn the paper over and fold it back the other way. And you can see if you've got the right amount, because underneath here will be white and the fold. So that's our second fold. Then you need to turn it again onto the white side and then fold it again. And once again you can see how much you've folded at the back here. I'll turn it around and show you. You can see it's about the same amount if the two edges meet there. It's a little bit difficult to explain. This is where it's better when we're at school. You can explain it better. So fold that again, and then you just keep folding and turning and folding. Don't forget to turn. Fold it again, and then turn and fold. Turn and fold. Don't forget to turn before you fold. If you don't turn before you fold, you'll just have a folded up piece of paper like this, which won't open. Take that all back now. So, fold, turn, fold back the other way, turn, fold it the other way, turn, fold back the other way, turn, fold it, and then the last one, turn and fold. And then you have like a long strip, long folded strip. And if you just let it go a little bit, you'll see it opens like, it's a bit like a concertina or a fan or a witch's steps, I think some of them are called as well. You know, those long thin strips that are folded that way, it's called a witch's steps. But this is our butterfly. Now watch very carefully. This long strip needs to be folded in half. Now you need to try and get this as exact as possible. So just fold it in half. You do it a little bit skew whiff like this, you'll have a butterfly with a small wing and a big wing. You want to try and get it in the middle. Get a grown-up to help if you have difficulty, just to measure it, because once you've got that first fold, pinch it together and then you can bend it back the other way. That just makes our butterfly a little bit more flexible. There. So there is the base of our butterfly. I'll just put it there so you can see. And that's where this funny thing comes in. Now, we need to fold this in the middle as well. So we need to probably go right in the middle of this fluffy part here. So put the ends together. Try and hold them when you get them together. Try and pinch them with your thumb and your forefinger. And then just try and get it in the middle there. Like that. And then take your butterfly, and you have to find out which side of your butterfly is the top and which side is the bottom. You can do that by just pinching it together in the middle and having a look. Well, look, there's the big part of the wing here, you can see, and there's a sort of smaller part here. So this is the top where the big wings are, or the big part of the wing, I should say. Yes. Here, there's the little part of the wing, and here's the big part of the wing. So you want to kind of, I'm going to turn this around so that I can see what I'm doing. So you need to get the little wing parts facing you, facing your body, facing here, your tummy. And then take your folded pipe cleaner, and you just need to put it against the body. And then you've got these two pieces here. You need to just quickly bend it up that way, and then bend the other side down. Keep pinching it the whole time so it doesn't slip. And then, back up again, you can twist them together a couple of times. And there we should have, you can kind of bend it round a bit. There. Might have to bend it a little bit so that it's facing the right way. But you should have, if you open out your butterfly wings, oops, there we go. Might have to kind of tease it open a little bit so that it opens out a little bit more. It's been folded a couple of times, this one. There you have your butterfly. It's quite beautiful, isn't it? It's got an orange body. I think that looks nice. Most butterflies don't have orange bodies, but I think an orange body looks nice, and I think any other colour body would look nice too, maybe yellow or purple or green. Makes them nice and colourful. Colourful and ready for summer, ready to fly away. So that's how you make a butterfly. Did you make a butterfly? If you did, bring it to school. You could hang it in your classroom. I'll see you next time on Art at Dawn's House. Have fun painting and drawing. See you soon. Bye-bye.